Hi everyone, this is Himlata Beth and I welcome you all again to my online class. Here I have made this video on lesson 4 and the lesson is Where is my bat? Where is my bat? Okay, before entering the story, I would tell you about it. Meera Tendolkar is the author of this story. Meera Tendolkar has written this story for you, and the story is for the very young beginner readers like you all. And this is a story about a boy who has lost his bat. He searches everywhere for his bat. Okay, while we see a little girl in the background outside, and she is also playing. Okay, she is playing with the bat. Okay, and later on we would know that this boy will find out his bat because she had taken his bat all along. So this is a very short story and you have so beautiful pictures here. So many beautiful pictures, and the pictures would help you easily to understand this whole story. So let's come with me and read out it. This boy is talking to himself only. So all the lines written here are told by this boy. This boy has told all the lines. I have lost my bat. I cannot find it. Okay. This boy is telling that I have lost my bat. The bat used for play cricket, and I cannot find it. I looked behind the door. It was not there. Behind the door. He searched behind the door also, but he couldn't get that. I looked for it on the shelf. I could not find it there, on the shelf also, but he could not find it. I looked for it under the bed. Oh, look at him. He is looking under the bed. For what? For his bat. Not there either. There also. No, he could not find his bat there. I searched inside the box. Inside the box. There was no sign of it. Not even there also. Oof, so upsetting. I searched the attic. Attic means a small area just below the roof of our house where we may store many things. Okay, you like. So you can see some things are kept here, and this is called attic of the house. This boy has used the ladder to go to attic. Okay, now he is looking also there. He is looking for his bat. I could not find it anywhere. Oof, this boy couldn't get it anywhere. Okay, I looked here, there, and everywhere. I could not find it anywhere. Oh, so upsetting. The boy has become confused about his bat. Where has his bat gone finally? He is not getting his bat in his house. Then the girl outside, she is standing outside, or perhaps maybe she was playing also. She came, but she didn't tell anything. Okay, this line was told by this boy. The boy looked at her and said, "Can you spot my bag? Can you please tell me where my bat is?" Then the girl showed him the bat in this way, and the boy said, "There it is. I found my bat." Oh, finally the boy got his bat because the girl had taken his bat all along. Okay, so who took his bat? The girl playing outside took his bat. So this is a very small story for you, with so many pictures, beautiful pictures. And when you will read out the story to your parents, the pictures, all the pictures would help you to understand the story easily. Okay, so one more question from my side. Don't you think that it is your duty or very important to take care of things that belong to you? You should take care of your own things very nicely and neatly. Otherwise, the things would be lost, right? That your things would be lost. Then you could not find them again. Okay, now we would know some word meaning. Lost means not knowing where something is. Lost means not knowing where something is. Searched, tried to look for something. Okay, no sign of it. Could not be found. Attic, a space just below the roof of a house used for storing things. Let me show you the attic. This is called attic. Okay, and here you may keep so many things for storing. Okay, you may store here. Spot means spot, to see or notice a thing or person when it is not easy to do so. So these all are the word meanings, and I know that some word meanings are very tough for you. I would make them very simpler or easier for you. Okay, I will give you later on. Now we would know about some opposite words. You already know that some words have their opposite forms. Okay, to say the other things, exactly opposite. Boy, girl, right? Father, mother, they all are opposite. In this way we will get some words here that would be opposite to one another. And in the page 20 you have small exercise, and here you have to take out the opposite word meaning, opposite words. Okay, and we would solve them later. Here, read these words aloud. Pay attention to the sound of A in each set. While we pronounce these words, just listen to your own sound. How does it sound? Car, bar, far, star. Here, all have A sound. And here, care, bear, fair, stare, A sound. So both these sounds are different from one another, but they are the sound of A. Similarly, we would get the sound of E in each set. Hen, leg, jet, net. Here E is telling us A sound, and here he, she, be, key. Okay, so all these sounds are different from one another, but they are the sound of E. So students, already we have learned in our language book English grammar that in place of girl we would write she, in place of boy we would write he, in place of a non-living thing or an animal we would write it. Okay, and many other they and we, right? So here you have to fill the blanks using he, she, it, they. I know you can all solve this. And in D2, fill in the blanks with is, am, are. I already gave you one chart on it. That chart was given for this purpose. Now you can solve these easily, But while you solve, before solving it, okay, before solving all these, you should learn that chart, okay? And then you will solve them. So that chart is very useful solving all these, So this is our lesson. I hope you all have liked my video, and wait for my next video. Okay, bye bye. See you again very soon.